How do you determine actually the skills that you need for you to be able to find the people who would fill those skills? First, your job description should reflect the following. First, the exact role the individual will fill. As I was saying, go ahead and plan that role, because there's nothing more frustrating for an employee than to find himself or herself, recruited to do one job and finding themselves doing another job. The required skill sets. So what are the skills that are needed for that job? The personality and behavioral attributes that are beyond the technical and operational skills. Just as I explained before, if you want the person to be outspoken, if you want the person to have good analytical skills, if you want the person to have good social skills, good interpersonal skills, etc. And finally, any relevant experience that would differentiate one applicant from another. So once you put those criteria, you should be able to not only have your job description, but also to have the assessment sheet that would allow you to compare one candidate to the other. So in addition to creating job descriptions, this ideal employee or this ideal set of criteria is going to help you, as I was saying, create the assessment sheet that will enable you to compare the different candidates that you screen and shortlist, and then try to find which one fits most according to this list of criteria. Now you have to note one thing, try to also rate or put a scale of importance on those different criteria that you use. So for instance, let's say interpersonal skills is one criterion, and analytical skills is another. But maybe analytical skills in this specific position have more importance than interpersonal skills, So make sure that you put more weight on that job or on that skill, and that would let you know if a candidate has more weight on that, maybe this is your priority, and not just a candidate who has, for instance, the two skills, but not with the same weight for each.